Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday to you. You're seeing this on Monday, but today is actually Thursday. And just in case you missed Thursday's video, today was officially my Mac Kit collaboration launch, and that launched at 9 a.m. this morning, and we have just been up posting all the content. We were up very early. Listen, Dan and I have had very little sleep the last couple of days. We were up early making sure the video was all up to snuff before going live at 9 a.m. And you guys know, we have been uploading so late. Like even last night's video, we uploaded right before midnight, right before the hour, and we got there eventually, okay? But it is out, it is officially live. I wanted to show you guys the website because I'm just like, my mouth has literally been like this for the last like 5 hours. This is the Mac, oh, is it even gonna, you know what, maybe I should just screen record this. I don't know how to do it right off the top of my head. So I'm just gonna show you. On the new section, there's me. And then you click shop. Okay, and it's the whole page. Look at this page. It has all the tips, product shots, different shots from the campaign. It's a whole page. And there's also a video that we filmed on the shoot day in September. So this is the page, and then you can click shop. Oh, it's just so... That's the website. Oh my god, this has been the best morning. You guys have been sending the sweetest messages, leaving the nicest comments. I can't thank you enough. I wish I could like do this. I guess that's why people do live things. But I wish I could do this like on the launch day, you know what I mean? Posting it, letting it out, releasing it into the world, and it's been super fun. We actually had a little bit of a different plan for today. We wanted to take you around all of the different stores, and my comment in Thursday's video was like, I'm so excited to see the in-store display, but I am so excited, and we are absolutely gonna vlog going and seeing every single one that's in Toronto. The kit is available on the US and Canada websites, but it was also in store in every freestanding Mac store in Canada. Today, as of midnight, 12:01 a.m., Toronto went into another full mandatory stay-at-home lockdown, which means that the malls and all retail stores, like on top of outdoor dining, everything except for, you know, Walmart and Costco, everything's closed again. So we are still able to do curbside pickup, but I won't be able to like do the same, well, I won't be able to see the in-store visual as originally planned. So I actually called the Queen Street location because that's the one Mac store that's not in a mall. They actually have like a display window on the street. So we're gonna go there, pick a couple up, and hopefully we'll be able to take a little sneak peek of the store display if it's there, like close to the window. The guy I spoke to on the phone was super sweet, and he said it was near the door, so hopefully we can get a little shot of it. But I also talked to Katie at the Yorkdale location. We're gonna go pick one up there as well, and then have a few on hand to give away to you guys. I want you to know I'm buying these. I'm not just stealing them from the store. So stay tuned to the end of the video for that. But we're gonna go take a peek around and see what we can see. I was, you know, obviously there's so many worse problems in the world, okay? I very much understand that, but it was really sad to just have the lockdown start like on this day, and I was really excited to be able to go and be there in store for the launch. So we shall make the best of the day and at least go and see what we can from the stores and do a little curbside pickup action. So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. Oh, here she is. Here's the kit in all of her glory. Ugh. To anyone who was able to get your hands on a kit, thank you so much for supporting the launch. And honestly, I hope you're as excited as I am because it was such an incredible discount on full-size products. Like, I'm still not over it. I'm still not over the fact that Mac let this happen. So thank you so much to anyone over the last few days who has picked a kit up. I'm so excited, and just, yeah, it's been really cool. It's been really cool. And, you know, I've just been sitting here, like, bopping around on Instagram on my phone. I haven't been able to, like, you know, we weren't able to do an event or anything, obviously, but it's still just super exciting. And thank you guys for all of your sweet, sweet messages and comments and support on the launch. So that's been the morning. I got up, did the launch, made sure everything was good and okay on the upload front, and then I just got ready. I filmed a little reel using my kit, and then now we're gonna head out. So we're gonna go right now to Yorkdale and Queen Street. Then it's our friend Chris's birthday today. It's his 30th birthday. And obviously if the weather was permitting, we were gonna do a little something for him outside, but now it's the stay-at-home order. So we're just gonna go try and find a sweet treat to drop off at their door to celebrate his birthday. And let's go check out the mall and the stores and see what we can see from the Mac launch, and then we'll just hopefully have a great day. The sun is shining, the weather looks beautiful outside. I'm excited to go and get some fresh air, and we'll bring you guys along for the day. Oh. It's so windy. Guys, we're rolling up to, oh my god, sorry, I'm eating my hair. We're rolling up to Mac on Queen Street. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully we'll be able to see it. Bye, thank you. Thanks. Oh my god, you guys, they were so nice. I had a whole wall. Velma and Chris at the Queen Street location. They were so sweet, so nice. The maximum amount of people in the store is 5. So they let us in to take a peek at the wall, and I picked a couple boxes up, and it was a whole wall. It was a wall. Oh, I'm so sad it's not open and that we can't, you know, people can't see it, but oh, it was really cool, and they were so sweet, and I'm glad we got some pics and got to have a little shopping experience, so it was really nice. Yeah, wow, a beautiful day. We're gonna head to Bloomer's Donuts. We ordered donuts to pick up to take to Chris and Lizzie for Chris's birthday, so we're just gonna, well, hopefully we can get parking here. Queen Street's a little wild in these days, but guys, it is hot. It's hot, like way too hot for a coat right now. I dressed incorrectly, but beautiful day, gonna get some donuts, and that was really amazing being able to see that. I'm really grateful they let us in to see, so yay! Yay! Alright guys, last stop of the day. We've come to Yorkdale. We're going to pick up our little curbside pickup order of the box. I also ordered the new, like the updated face and body foundation. So I'm excited to try that. I just don't know. It must be this entrance. She said where the Gap used to be, and that was the same as when we came for Apple. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
And I'm like, how am I supposed to know where the Gap was? I assume it's this. Start the car! Sorry guys, it was real windy and breezy out there. Got another box, and Laura and Katie at Mac Yorkdale, they were so fabulous. You should have seen that. We should have taken a shot of their eyebrows. This was curbside pickup. The mall is shut, but they, wait, where is it? Hold on. She said she put a little letter in there for me, Katie. So if you're watching this, thank you. I got another box, and then I picked up 2 new shades of the face and body foundation, so I can put this to the test for you guys this week and see what the difference is. Maybe I'll do one on one side, one on the other, and see how it wears. Well, all right, box unlock. We got the packages. We're gonna get a few groceries and see you at home. Hello friends, hello from me in the future. It's a few days later. I just got my lips redone. I don't want to talk about it. They're super swollen right now. Please ignore it. It will go away. I just wanted to say hi and wrap up this video and do the giveaway as I promised earlier in the vid. And I also wanted to say thank you because it has now been a few days since the launch day on Thursday. And honestly, I've been kind of quiet on Instagram over the weekend, especially because I was just so overwhelmed by all of the love. I have just been reading all of your guys' messages. I've been trying to repost as many as I can, and it's just been so amazing seeing all of you get your kits so fast. For those of you who have been shopping in store, it's been so cool to see the displays. You are all so sweet, and I can't thank you enough for the support that you have given on this launch. And honestly, even those who don't know me, who have bought the kit, like, it's such an incredible deal. I think that's why I was so excited about this. And I didn't get many, but I did get a few comments being like, oh, like, you're not even making a new product, like, you're just coming out with another kit. And, you know, it was such a great opportunity for me to take my favorite products from a brand that I have loved since the beginning of time and literally cut the price in half to give to my followers. It's like, so often we get like 10, 15, 20% off discount codes as influencers, and we're like, oh, use our code, shop 10% off. It's like, hey, shop 45% off my favorite products from MAC. That's basically what this kit was, and it was just a great opportunity. And from the people, like from working at Mac to the people I've spoken to who have worked and do work at Mac, like these particular products like almost never go on sale. Like they are never included in kits like these. Like Mac always does their look in a box and things, and they frequently do kit styles, but for them to have allowed me to do this and use these products and put them at such a significant discount for you guys, like I was so excited about the opportunity. And you know, I talk about a lot of luxe products here on my channel, a lot of things that, you know, makeup's expensive. Makeup is expensive and it's getting more expensive, and to be able to just chop that price, slice it, I was excited, and I am excited. And yeah, so even if someone doesn't follow me, they have no idea who I am, like that box is like filled with some of Mac's best products that almost anyone can add into their already existing makeup routine. They're just, the products are such beautiful complements to whatever products you already have. And if you're already all stocked up on your strobe cream and Fix Plus, you know, it's just a great discount to buy a backup. And my friends, without further ado, I bought 5 boxes. Oh, I put them all in one bag, married them together. I bought 5 boxes for you guys. There we go. And I wanted to give some away to you. So I'm gonna choose 5 winners. All you have to do is comment on this video. I don't care what you put on the comment, whatever you guys wanna comment, your comment can be an entry. Just make sure that you put either your Instagram handle or an email so that I can contact you if you win. I will choose 5 winners, and I typically do like a 24-hour turnaround. We'll see, but if I change my mind and we do a different timeline, I will update it in the description box. Check the description box if you want to see all of the rules and things for entering to win my Mac kit here. And for those of you who weren't in US and Canada, hopefully this gives you a good chance to be able to win a box. And yeah, I'm going to be giving away 5 of my Mac kits to 5 winners. So be sure to read that description box on how to enter to win, you guys. It's open to absolutely everybody. I'll be sending these out myself with our little Alama tissue paper, if anyone remembers seeing that setup. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you always for your love and support. I hope that you are loving this kit, and even if you can't purchase the kit, I don't care. You are here, you are engaging with my content, and that alone means the world. That is everything to me. So thank you guys so much. Happy Monday to you. I hope that you enjoyed this video, seeing a little sneak peek and going around witnessing the launch of my Mac kit, and I will see you all tomorrow for a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!